All right, so I am getting ready for flying, and I have been dealing with like a cough, but it's like a really dry cough. So going into the airplane, like, oh, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna get really, really healthy when I'm out there. So yes, and so it's 7 days of travel ahead, and I've been not drinking. I've been really good at trying to just like amp up my immune system as much as I can. And we cannot claim to prevent or heal any kind of anything. But I am going to just be proactive, and that's what's awesome. So in my little kit, this one is amazing. It has 4 drinks in it that you can just pop and go, right? Pop and go. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my little, I have a pretty long day. The flight is early in the morning, so I just feel like I want to sleep too. So this will give me a nice, just nutrient dense option to, just trying. Okay, so I usually start my day with my tea, and today I'm going to start my day with my liftoff. So this is Spark. I've seen other stores kind of try to do the same thing, but instead of having nothing in it and just only caffeine, this is a burst of things that your immune system really likes, so could help, right? In a flight where and I'm kind of debating if I should wear a mask or not, because a friend of mine did flying, and she said, she didn't really get sick, and I'm not looking to like get any worse, so I think this will all feel like much better. So, just a really good option for that. If you are going, and like, I'm going to have a tremendously long day tomorrow, so I might start my day with my CR7, and I can sip on it and know that I'm going to hit some water. People have been asking about sugar, and so just because we want to also be aware of the fact that sugar is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are important, and when we're working out, when we're living, we all have a minimum number that we kind of survive off on. And like the Association for Nutrition, okay, they also have standards. So we follow the standard of no more than 25 to 50. In England, they have 25. In the United States, they have 50. So, I think that's one thing that you can definitely count on. Now, the other thing is, as far as carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates, we're looking at an average of 225, and maybe anywhere to maybe tops 300, depending on maybe your body weight and all of this, all your measurements and things. So that is only to say that these are approved. They're within the range of sugar and things, and they definitely follow very strict, tested more than 300 times. Like, you're going to be putting something absolutely safe into your body. There is no trial. I didn't create these things. I'm not asking you to be a guinea pig. Like, these things are sold on the market, and it's Herbalife. So it's like definitely something that, is there. And the tea is optional too. I love to mix it with turmeric and cayenne. And I like to have it hot. So this is amazing. You can even put some, it depends on like what you like. With, ginger is amazing, people. Ginger and lemon are definitely something you want to start your day with. And it has green tea, black tea, orange pokey. So this fusion of teas, all extracted by the leaf by water, will give you that boost of like, ooh, I feel really good. That energy boost, which is so needed in the morning. So these things I have almost every single day, have been for like 8 years. The company's been around for 42. We are an incredible part of like the force of nutrition. We are saving lives every single day. And I'm wondering if you are next. So this is what I am doing to get ready for my flight, and definitely hoping to report back, see how I feel. Okay. And if you guys are about to go into vacation, amazing. Cheers to everybody who's doing something amazing for themselves and taking the time to do so. It's not easy. You can do it. And if you have any questions, want to connect, maybe set up a quick, you know, you want to try it out, let's get it, let's get on the nutrition and see if it works. This is a great intro to just kind of do it. You can buy a few of them, a couple of them, gift them away. Like, people are gonna love them because people are traveling, so we want to stay healthy. If that's your jam, awesome. Take care, you guys. Cheers.